Hey people, I am back and it is time for another recipe. Baked oatmeal. Oh my lord, this thing is so good. Set your oven to 325 degrees. Then you're gonna melt 4 tablespoons, that's about 1/4 cup of butter. Let that melt and cool down. While that is happening, you're gonna take your oats in a large bowl, our sliced almonds, cinnamon, baking powder, and your salt, the brown sugar, and some raisins. These are California raisins. If you want to use another type, go right ahead. Then you're just going to mix this up really quick. And then we're gonna move on to the next part. Okay, let's put that aside and get into the wet ingredients. 2 eggs, crack those into a bowl, and we're going to whisk these just for a second. Get your whisk. All right, then I'm going to slowly add in my milk. 2 cups of milk, and just a splash of vanilla, a tablespoon of vanilla will be good. Or more than a tablespoon. Now, one more thing I'm gonna add is the zest of an orange. I think that will really brighten up the oatmeal. And it's always a nice little surprise, a nice little zesty surprise. All right, so that butter that I mentioned before, you're gonna add it in right now. Cool, you're dry. Gonna add the wet. Make sure you get all those beautiful little zesty bits. I love this recipe. I love this recipe. Stir it around, doesn't take long to mix. Now, let's put this aside because there's one more part to this. The last little part is 2 apples. You're gonna take and peel 2 apples, and you're just gonna cut them up into little pieces and put them at the bottom of the tray that you are using. And then we're gonna add the mixture. And like I said, this is gonna go into the oven at 325 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. If you're looking for something different in the morning, give this a go. And while you're giving this a go, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Would you change anything? Maybe maple syrup? I don't know, cranberries instead of raisins? Walnuts instead of almonds? What would you do differently? I will see you in the next video. Bye.
The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe.